The CM Solar Mission is a flagship initiative by the government of Meghalaya, implemented by the Meghalaya New and Renewable Energy Development Agency (MNREDA). Its goal is to make the state energy resilient and environmentally sustainable. The mission offers a variety of solar systems to meet different needs. CM Solar Mission is a program designed to be affordable and accessible. Small households only need to contribute 10% of the cost. The state government covers the rest, providing a 15-90% subsidy with the remaining amount for larger systems covered by simple bank loans. To apply for the CM Solar Mission scheme, you can consult with MNREDA and submit your application through the district administration or contact your nearest block development officer, BDO.
Lektor dekar uman kaum wajile RTI na kacnong Kementerian East Jante Hills dapat tibu waka ka RTI wada bu ka JHADC na doka arso trek September arja arsan iwada candap arbnai emyo jubab ka dapat tibu waka ni RTI tok locally chaphang forest check gate wada bu ka UPIO kacnat forest ka JHADC kamte na liang lektor de por sopa prangta UPIO jubabu lem kamte lai ujar segi barwahanan Doong le wa ini rukam le ka JHADC to yo pendok mense ni ko tho e hak yo mani krek wa khoi wa subah po council wa de perslemo e jubab man ko le kama mure ye hak wa to utip ki ba
I elected the car of Clementrang village East Hill district are committed RTI activists in Meghalaya hereby inform that my RTI application submitted to the Hill Autonomous District Council, JHADC, on September 24, 2025, regarding the operation of forest check gates, has yet to receive any response from the Public Information Officer, PIO, of the Forest Department, JHADC. At this moment, I have no further comment except this direct message to the Public Information Officer, PIO, Forest Department, JHADC. You are hereby granted a period of 48 hours to provide the reply demand in my RTI application. Should you fail to comply within the stipulated time, I will be compelled to initiate a formal complaint before the competent authorities pursuant to the provision of the Right to Information Act 2005. This unwarranted delay in providing information under the RTI Act is an intentional tactic to suppress and demoralize RTI activists. Nonetheless, I remain resolute in my quest for transparency and accountability, and I will persist in this struggle steadfastly and lawfully empowered by the strength of the law.